Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Bacon grease container. Safe material. The grease container and the tray are made of wrought iron with non-stick coating. The fine mesh strainer is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of Bakelite. Food-grade material, keep oil healthy. Filtration function. The removable strainer is fine enough to filter out debris, food particles, and impurities from the oil. Keep you cleaner and healthier cooking oil. The anti-slip coaster tray will prevent oil spill onto the countertop. Perfect designed cooking oil container. There is a lid on the grease collector, which will stop the dust falling into the oil. Small outlet design works well to prevent any leakage. High temperature resistance and rust resistant. Burger press. Say goodbye to boring burgers. The Grillaholic stuffed burger press. Patty maker and burger stuffer makes it easy to stuff your burger patties with your favorite ingredients. Our hamburger patty press makes mind-blowing burgers that are bursting with flavor. Imagine burgers stuffed with gooey cheese, crispy bacon, grilled onions, and jalapenos, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. Fun and easy to use for the whole family. Our unique burger patty maker design is so easy to use that the whole family can get in on the fun. Your kids will love helping with dinner while they stuff their own burgers full of their favorite ingredients. With our burger maker press, making delicious stuffed burger patties is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just press it, stuff it, seal it. You'll be asking yourself why you didn't pick up a burger maker sooner. Cord organizer. Powerful stickiness. Cord organizer be made of powerful and standard 3M glue with stronger stickiness. Sturdy. It is not easy to fall off and not leaving any traces on surface. Premium material. Kitchen organization made with food-grade TPR silicone. Healthy and safely, non-toxic, BPA-free, durable, and not easy to deform. Perfectly compatible. Compatible with surface of glass, ceramics, wooden board, plastic, metal, tiles, wallpaper, leather. Apply to all kinds of kitchen equipment, such as coffee machines, air fryer, blenders, pressure cooker, toaster, juicer. Unique design. The unique butterfly-shaped design is more in line with kitchen equipment and more beautiful. And after many manuscripts and mold opening tests, compatible with 70% of the kitchen equipment wire. 100% satisfaction G. Guaranteed. We guarantee that the high-quality UCOX cord organizer will surely please you. If, for any reason, you are not 100% satisfied with the UCOX, we will help you solve. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries not included. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. Wide applicability. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery-powered, convenient and fast, you can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. Jar spatula. Set includes small spatula, jar spatula. Small spatula is ideal for use with saucepans and small mixing bowls. Jar spatula reaches into skinny jars, blenders, food processors, and other tight spaces to clear out ingredients. Flexible edges are polished and beveled to get every bit from bowls and jars. Long handles have a sturdy nylon core and soft, non-slip grip. Non-scratch, heat-resistant silicone construction is dishwasher safe. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way. Every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Hand blender. Superior function. Versatile and durable, the Cuisinart 300-watt Smart Stick variable speed hand blender switches from low to high speed quickly. Must-have features. Comfort grip handle with push button for continuous action and variable speed slide control. Easy to use. On OFF switch with lock/unlock button and 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Included, 3-cup chopper/grinder, chef's whisk, 2-cup mixing/measuring cup. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Electric pressure cooker. 7in, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Ice cream maker. Functionality. Turn almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. Wattage. 800 watts. Voltage. 120 volts. Customization. With the Ninja CRME, you can have total control of your ingredients from decadent gelato to low sugar, keto, dairy-free, and vegan options. Create frozen treats as unique as you are. Mix-ins. Customize your flavor and texture by mixing in your favorite chocolate, nuts, candy. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Extra wide slots. With each slot at 1.6-inch wide, the 4-slice toaster lets you fit long, thick slices of artisan bread, Texas toast, bagels, English muffins, and plenty more of your favorites. Perfect size for the modern family, with hungry mouths to feed each morning. Perfect as a new home essentials, Mueller toasters also make an excellent gifts for mom, combining functionality with style.